Yes. So, set B, I am talking with respect to set B. In this particular set B, we have, so we went through 11:30 we got the question paper, and by 12:30 we went through very first impression. So 100% we as a team, nearly 10 people, we sat together and we started doing the key paper, and the explanation of the key paper will also continue now. So the science and technology, from science and technology in set B, 1 to 10 questions. 1 to 10 questions are from science and technology. So from 1 to 10 direct questions are there from science and technology. From set B, 10 questions are there. And in polity, it is 51 question, 58th question and 5 questions plus 81 to 90. So overall it is 17 questions are there from polity. And from history it is 15 questions are there. From economy it is 31 to 40 direct, means it stretch 31 to 40 and 71 to 80. From set B question paper, it is economy 20 questions, history 15 questions and geography 15 questions, environment 10 questions, current affairs which includes government schemes also. Current affairs, government schemes only 2-3 questions came this time. Current affairs 7 questions, and IR and international relations and world mapping also I understood in international organizations and international relations. So overall it is 100 questions. So if you see the pattern this time, the science and technology are 10 questions, polity are 17 questions, economy are 20 questions, history are 15 questions, geography are 15 questions, environment are 10 and current affairs are 7 and IR are 100. In this way, the overall 100 questions are being designed like this. The overall 100 questions are designed like this. So, most of the questions this time are from economy questions are more, and the second it is as usual the polity questions are there, and third it is history. This time the questions are little bit easy. For example, Aragatta question was been asked, Aragatta question which was a PYQ question was been asked. In history 4-5 questions were been directly lifted from previous year's questions. So the first impression or the pattern of the examination, when we considered, so science and technology are 10 and polity are 17 and economy are 20 and history are 15 and geography is 15 and environment is 10. This time the number of questions from environment are less, but however the same environment questions are also there in geography also and current affairs and this. So overall the question paper seems to be tough only. The question paper is tough, and earlier 1:1 to 20, 21 to 40, 41 to 60, such type of questions were been there. Last year it was 1 to 10, 21 to 40, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 10 questions were been there, 1 to 10, 11 to 20. Now the jumbling of the questions are there. So the jumbling of the questions are there. So the question paper seems to be tricky. So finally I will tell that this year question paper is tricky. This year question paper is tricky. First question, see, consider the following types of vehicles. First one, fuel battery electric vehicles. Second one, hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. Third one, fuel cell electric hybrid vehicles. Hybrid means we know that we can use petrol and we can use electricity both. So how many of the above are considered as alternative powertrain vehicles? What are this? All the 3 types are listed as considered alternative powertrain. So answer is all of the above. For the first question, the answer is all of the above. One is C. Second one, with reference to unmanned aerial vehicles which are called as drones, unmanned aerial vehicles, consider the following statements. In this, all types of drones, unmanned aerial vehicles can do vertical landing. All types, see, whenever we studied in the classroom, wherever there is all or none, but we have to be very careful. All types of unmanned aerial vehicles can do automated hovering. All types. So you have to remember this all. All types of unmanned vehicles. See, fixed wing unmanned aerial vehicles typically require runways. So statement 1 is incorrect. only automated hovering is a common feature of all types of unmanned aerial vehicles is incorrect. All will not have, some will have. So answer is none of the above, answer is D, and the answer is C, first one and second one. Third question, in the context of electric vehicles, in the classroom we discussed electric vehicles are very important this time. See how many questions are from electric vehicles. Second question is from electrical vehicles. Electric vehicle batteries consider the following elements. How many of the above usually make up battery cathodes? So cobalt, graphite, lithium, nickel. From this, the third answer is cobalt, lithium, nickel are usually used in battery cathodes. So answer is only 3. So it is what? It is cobalt, nickel, lithium. Graphite is too much, no? Graphite is too much. Graphite is something like diamond. Graphite is very, very powerful graphite. So it is cobalt, lithium and nickel. These 3 are useful in manufacturing battery cathodes. So battery cathodes are manufactured by cobalt, lithium and nickel. So these are the third question. And next coming to fourth, consider the following cigarette butts, eyeglass lenses, car tires. Cigarette butts, eyeglass lenses, car tires. How many of them contain plastic? In this, how many of them contain plastic is the question. So plastic constitutes of what? Fourth, cigarette butts, eyeglass lenses and car tires all contain plastics. Yes, cigarette butts also have the plastic, eyeglass lenses also have the plastic, car tires also have the plastic. So answer is C, all of the above. So fourth answer is C, all of the above. Yes, with common sense also we can write. So eye lenses, we know it is there. Cigarette butts also, if we see some cigarettes will be having the plastics also. So with that we can come to a conclusion. Fifth question, consider the following statements, consider the following substances: ethanol, nitroglycerine, urea. Ethanol, nitroglycerine, urea. Coal gasification technique, PYQ. Coal gasification technique is a PYQ. Can be used in the production of how many of them? So which of the substances are used in the coal gasification technology? So answer is only 2. Coal gasification technology can be used in the production of ethanol and urea. Not 3, it is in ethanol and in urea we will be using the gasification technique but not nitroglycerine. So with explanation we had made the key. If it is visible to you, with the information, with the detailed information we are going to provide you the key. Within 2-3 hours we will be providing you the key. The explanation is written here why this answer is correct. So in ethanol and urea it is there. Then again from 96 onwards, we have again, consider the following countries. How many of the countries have more than 4 time zones? How many of them? For example, if you have UK, it have only 1 time zone. If you talk about Denmark, we have only 1, and whereas New Zealand we have 2, and when we discuss about Australia and Brazil, large geographical area, so multiple zones. So answer would be D, only 2. So with United Kingdom is small, Denmark is small, New Zealand is little small. So this both are geographically large also. So it will be having more than 4 time zones, means only 2 will be having. So multiple time zones are there because of its large geographical area. So more than 4 are present with. So answer is D. 96th answer is D. So again I am repeating, set B, first question, set B, number 1 C, number 2 D, number 3 C, number 4 C, number 5 C, and coming to the 96, it is D, only 2, that is Australia and Brazil. Then coming to 97, consider the following statements: Andyar in Siberia and Nome in Alaska are a few kilometers away from each other. But when people are waking up and getting set for breakfast in the cities, it would be different days. So that would be because of timeline, time zones. So when it is Monday in Andyar, it is Tuesday in Nome. Which of the following statements are correct? See, Andyar, Russia, it will be like this. Russia side means east of the world, and this side it will be Alaska, west of the world. So when we cross it, the day will change. So according to that, if it is east in world map, yes, I told you this is east in world map, this is west in world map. Just remember the world map, there you can see west in the world map and east in the world map. So hence international date line separates two consecutive calendars. So statement 1 is correct, that is only one. Andhya in Siberia and Nome in Alaska are a few kilometers away from each other, but when people are waking up and getting set for breakfast in the cities, it would be different days. So this is the correct statement. If it is in Monday in Andhya, it would be Sunday. If it is Monday in Andhya, it will not be Tuesday, it will be what? It will be Sunday. It will be Sunday. So the statement only one is correct. So answer is A. So if you remember the world map, then we can come to conclusion. Andhya in Siberia means what? Russia side. Nome in Alaska means west side. So, but when people are waking up and getting set for breakfast, it would be different days. Yes, it would be different days. When it is Monday in Andhya, Andhya means where? In Siberia. And it is Tuesday in Nome, means Alaska. No, it is not in Tuesday in Alaska, it will be Sunday in Alaska because of change in the time. So, answer is A, yes. 98th question, world map it is. Who among the following was the founder of self-respect movement? Who among the following was the founder of self-respect movement? We know that Periyar Ramaswamy Nayakar. Self-respect movement, easy question this is. Periyar Ramaswamy Nayakar. Then next 99. Consider the following pairs. Resource rich in Botswana, Chile, Indonesia, nickel. Where they are resource rich 99, all three are correctly matched. Yes, 99C. Why? Because Botswana is good in diamond, Botswana, and Chile is good in lithium. Recently, a lot of lithium reserves were being found in Chile. Indonesia, nickel is very famous. That is the reason electric vehicles, it is playing major role now, Chile and Indonesia. 100th question, consider the following pairs. In how many of the above rows is the given information correctly matched? Means the place, the region and the country. The region and the country. Mallorca, Italy, Normandy, Spain, Sardinia, France. Sardinia, Italy. So in how many of the above rows is the given information is correct? So 3 is wrong. Sardinia is not France. Sardinia is Italy. So how many of them are correct? See, Italy, Mallorca. Mallorca is part of Spain. Mallorca is part of Spain. Normandy is part of France. And I told you Sardinia is part of Italy. So answer is what? None of the above. These are very famous region. Sardinia is very famous for human growth and development. Menarche and menopause will be there, no? For example, menarche they will be having at 12 years and menopause will be at the age of 60 years. They are very healthy people. Sardinia people of Italy are very healthy people. We will be studying in the concept of human growth and development. So there we will be discussing these 3 points. Mallorca of Spain, Normandy of France and Sardinia of Italy. So these are the 10 science and technology questions and few are geography questions are there. So we discussed 1 to 5 and 96 to 100. Okay.